Hello, my name is Luis Felipe Raffo. My family and I have decided to unveil Tambo Blanquillo Private Nature Reserve, a wonder of the Peruvian Amazon for nature lovers. We are not something massive, we are a family business. We take small groups and provide also tailor-made service. In Tambo Blanquillo Private Natural Reserve, we are committed in providing tourists value beyond their expectations for the price invested. One of the most fascinating things to experience here is the sunrise and moonrise. What we want in our nature reserve is to show our guests the beauty of this place by witnessing firsthand the diversity of plants, trees, and animal species that can be found amongst these forests. The tourists will increase their love for nature. Tambo Blanquillo offers a Mako clay lake. Believe it or not, it's the only clay lake where you can see red deer, giant otter, jaguars, and a number of different bird species that will drive birdwatchers crazy. Over 600 different species in a single stretch of 800 meters clay wall. In addition, we have 3 lakes, 2 of which have giant otters. We have the tallest observation tower in the Peruvian Amazon, rising 60 meters aside from a kapok tree, which we have taken all precautions to avoid interfering with this 350-year-old tree. It's the simplicity of nature, the simplicity of things here, what relaxes us and makes us feel younger and more tolerant with everyone. Tambo Blanquillo Private Nature Reserve is an excellent example of nature conservation and a great school for children and youngsters to experience directly how pristine nature really is in this part of Peru. I invite you to come and discover this place. You will be totally fascinated.